Hello guys, welcome to Career Media once again. My name is Gulshan Jha. Friends, today we are going to discuss about MD Radiology and DNB Radiology. That what could be the rank if students get in NEET PG 2021 result, then he can think that he is on a safer side of getting MD Radiology through All India quota. And at the same time, if he somehow miss out to get MD Radiology through All India quota, then what are her chances of getting DNB Radiology, right? And that too in which state he or she can get. At the same time, we will be talking that how many colleges and how many seats are participating state-wise in All India quota for radiology branch and for MD Radiology and DNB Radiology, right? So that you will be having an option to know that at your rank what are the states option will be available in front of you, or you might get the seat in your state or not, right? So let's start the video. First of all, we will be discussing about Assam. So Assam, last year if you see the closing rank cutoff for Assam for All India quota MD Radiology, first we will be talking about MD Radiology, that is All India quota, and then we will jump into DNB Radiology. So MD Radiology through All India quota, Assam closing rank cutoff was in 2020 was 3,287 All India rank. But this time there are chances the counseling, the cutoff will take a positive shift, as we have multiple reasons. If you wanted to know what are the reasons, then first of all, the DNB and MS counseling are going to club this time, and they are going to happen together from a similar platform. So definitely the seat booking will be reduced, right? So there will be a chances that it will take a positive shift. Some more students will able to get MD Radiology or DNB Radiology in the counseling, right, because of less number of seat bookings. At the same time, we already know, we have heard that approximately 4,500 seats are going to increase this time throughout, I mean all over, including all the clinical and non-clinical branches and private and government colleges. So it gives us hope that it will definitely take a positive shift. So there are reasons why I am saying that there are chances that the cutoff of this time will definitely take a positive shift, right? So let's continue our discussion in which we were talking that in Assam last year MD Radiology from All India quota went till 3,287 rank. So this time we can expect that it should travel till 3,350 All India rank, right? And if you wanted to know, in Assam, I'm talking about Assam, in Assam there are 5 colleges which are offering MD Radiology, and from that 5 colleges 11 seats participate in All India quota. So 11 seats from Assam is going to be allotted by All India quota, right? Similarly, if you belongs to Assam and you wanted to take MD Radiology in Assam, you can just expect that if you are getting under 3,350 All India rank, there are chances that you would get MD Radiology from All India quota, right? Next state is Bihar. There are chances that if you are getting approximately 2,000 All India rank or 2,050 All India rank, there are chances that you would get MD Radiology branch in Bihar. At the same time, if we talk about seat, there are 5 seats from 3 colleges participated last year in 2020 of MD Radiology in All India quota. Chandigarh, only 1 college, 5 seats are there in All India quota. This time obviously we are obviously expecting that the seats are going to increase. That's why I have come up with the data which was available last year in 2020. So in Chandigarh, 5 seats of radiology participated in All India quota, for which this time there are chances the cutoff would go somewhere approximately 750 rank. So if you wanted to take Chandigarh MD Radiology through All India quota, then if your ranking is under 750 All India rank, there are chances that you would get Chandigarh. Similarly for Chhattisgarh, 1520 All India rank. If you're getting under 1520 All India rank, then there are chances that you would get Chhattisgarh. Similarly, if you wanted to take Delhi, you should be having at least under 350 all India rank. Last year it was 327 when Delhi was closed for MD Radiology through all India quota. From Delhi there are 6 colleges and 20 seats of radiology participated in MCC counseling, in all India quota counseling. So if you wanted to take Delhi, where stipend is so much high and the reputation of colleges is outstanding, for that if you are expecting to get Delhi, then your rank should be somewhere under 350 all India rank. Goa, only 1 college is there, 2 seats participated in 2020 for the in all India counseling, and if you wanted to take Goa, you should be having all India rank under 700. All India rank under 700. Similarly, if you belongs to Gujarat or you wanted to take Gujarat from all India quota, then your ranking should be between, under 1450 to 1500 all India rank. If you are getting under 1500 all India rank, then there are chances that you would get MD Radiology from all India quota in Gujarat. At the same time, from Gujarat, 14 seats participated in 2020 from Gujarat, from totally 6 colleges. Haryana, 1 college, only 2 seats only 2 seats are there in Haryana which participate in all India counseling. So if you wanted to take Haryana, 450 all India rank. If your ranking is under 450, then there are chances that you would get MD Radiology through all India quota in Haryana. Now one more thing is there. There is a bond in Haryana if you take Haryana from state quota, but no bond is there if you take Haryana from all India quota, right? So the students belongs to Haryana, if they are getting the seat through all India quota, they must go with the all India quota, because if they are getting the seat from all India quota, then they will not have to serve bond, right? But as I told you, if you take a seat through state quota, there is bond. Okay, so Himachal, next state is Himachal. If you are getting rank under 1350 all India rank, then there are chances that you would get MD Radiology through all India quota from Himachal. In Jharkhand, if the student belongs to Jharkhand or wanted to take MD Radiology in Jharkhand, the student should get at least 1850 all India rank. So if students are getting under 1850 all India rank and wanted to take MD Radiology in Jharkhand, they have a good chances, they are on a safer side. Karnataka, 1250 all India rank. If students are getting under 1250 all India rank and wanted to take Karnataka, they have a good chances, they are on the safer side of getting Karnataka for MD Radiology through all India quota. Kerala, 800 all India rank. If you're getting 820 all India rank and you wanted to take radiology, MD Radiology through all India quota, then you have a good chances. For MP, it's 1500 to 1520 all India rank. If you're getting under 1520 all India rank, then you can say that you can expect that you would get MD Radiology through all India quota in MP, right? Similarly, Maharashtra, it's 1650 all India rank. If you wanted to take MD Radiology through all India quota in Maharashtra, your ranking should be somewhere under 1650 all India rank. So I am talking about all India quota, don't get confused with the state quota, right? State quota have different cutoffs. I have already uploaded with the state quota cutoffs as per my information. I haven't missed any state, but if I missed if I missed any state with state with state quota cutoff, then please let me know, comment in the please suggest me in the comment box. I'll put video of that particular state. So similarly, now we are talking about just all India quota, right? MCC counseling. So Meghalaya, only 1 college is there, 1 seat participate under in all India quota, and which is Nilgrims College, and that college is really very nice, outstanding. So if you wanted to take Meghalaya, Nilgrims, then your ranking should be somewhere under 700 all India rank. For Odisha, if you wanted to take MD Radiology from all India quota, your ranking should be somewhere under 1100 all India rank. Similarly, for Punjab, if you wanted to take in Punjab Radiology, MD Radiology, in through all India quota, your ranking should be somewhere under 1100 all India rank. Similarly for Rajasthan, your ranking should be under 1200 all India rank. Similarly for Tamil Nadu, your ranking should be somewhere under 900 all in India rank. For Telangana, it should under 1300 all India rank. For UP, it should come under 1750 to 1800 all India rank. For West Bengal, it should come under 3100 to 3200 all India rank. So this is the expected cutoff of MD radiology. Whereas if you don't have any restriction of state, you are ready to switch to any state, but you are pretty sure that you wanted to take radiology only, MD radiology only, then if you are getting under 3300 3350 all India rank, you are on a safer side. Similarly, now again some students will definitely miss getting MD radiology through all India quota, so they will be having a chance of getting DNB radiology. Let's see what could be the DNB radiology cutoff. At till what rank in which state you can get DNB radiology. For Assam, it could be under 9500 all India rank. So if you are getting your rank under 9500 all India rank, you can expect that you can get at least DNB radiology in Assam, right? For Andhra Pradesh, it should be under 7500 all India rank. So if you are getting ranking under 7500 all India rank and you are missing out somehow for MD radiology through all India quota, then you will be having a chances of getting DNB radiology through Andhra Pradesh, at least in Andhra Pradesh. On the basis of that, other states option will also be open. You can choose accordingly, right? For Chhattisgarh, DNB radiology is expected to go till 8050 to 9000 all India rank. And again, now for Delhi, if you miss out to take MD radiology in Delhi and you are pretty sure that you have to take radiology branch only in Delhi itself, then you can take DNB radiology, and for that you are on a safer side if you are getting a rank under 7000 all India rank, 6700 6800 all India rank. So for Gujarat, if you are getting under 7000 all India rank, you will get DNB radiology at least in Gujarat if you are somehow missing out MD radiology through all India quota. In Haryana, if you are getting under 7200 7300 all India rank, you have a chances that you can get a DNB radiology at least if you are missing MD radiology. Now if you are getting 7000 rank and you stay you want to stay nearby Delhi, or you stay nearby Delhi, then you can put Haryana in your option, and if you are missing out MD radiology, right, then still you will be having a chances of getting DNB radiology in Haryana, which will be nearer to your place, right? For Himachal, if you are getting under 7500 to 7600 all India rank, then you have pretty good chances of getting DNB radiology in Himachal. If for Karnataka, it should come under 7500 all India rank to 7550 all India rank. So if you are getting 7550 all India rank, you have a decent chances of getting DNB radiology in Karnataka. If you are getting for Kerala, it's 5100 all India rank. So if you're getting under 5000 all India rank, you have pretty good chances of getting DNB radiology. We are pretty sure that you have to go with the radiology only, either MD or DNB, right? Then in Kerala, you can get, if you are getting under 5100 all India rank, you have pretty decent chances getting DNB radiology in Kerala. Similarly for MP, 9100 all India rank. If you are getting under 9100 all India rank, northern side students can prefer to go with MP, right? For Maharashtra, it should be under 7500 all India rank, right? So if you're getting under 7500 all India rank, there are pretty decent chances that you would get a DNB radiology in Maharashtra. In Odisha, 2300 all India rank, 2400 all India rank. So if you're getting 2400 all India rank and you wanted to take DNB in Odisha, you can get that. At the same time, the students who are getting under 2400 all India rank, they have pretty good chances of getting MD radiology also. So if they have to choose whether they wanted to go, they wanted to opt for DNB or MD, they will have to select, right? Because 2200 2300 rank is pretty good rank. You will be having a good chances of getting all the clinical branches, either government seat or DNB seat or private seat, right? So for Punjab, if you are getting under 9100 9150 all India rank, you have pretty good chances of getting DNB from DNB radiology in Punjab. Similarly for Rajasthan, it's under 4600 4700 all India rank. If you are getting 4600 700 all India rank, you have good chances of getting DNB in Rajasthan. In Sikkim, if you are getting under 6300 6400 all India rank, then you have pretty good chances getting DNB radiology in Sikkim. In Tamil Nadu, if you are getting under 9600 9700 all India rank, you have pretty good chances of getting DNB radiology in Tamil Nadu. Since we are talking everything about the radiology only, that's why in next video we'll be discussing about other clinical branches also. Similarly in Telangana, if you wanted to take in Telangana DNB radiology, then if your rank comes under 9500 or 9000 all India 9600 all India rank, then you have good chances of getting DNB radiology in Telangana. Similarly UP, if you are getting 6600 6700 all India rank and you wanted to take DNB radiology, you have a decent chances of getting DNB radiology in UP. Similarly for West Bengal, it's 8000 all India rank. Just say if you are getting under 8000 all India rank, you have pretty good chances of getting DNB radiology in West Bengal. So this is all about radiology branch through all India quota and through DNB. So if a student don't want to go for private colleges, don't want to go for deemed universities, they are pretty sure about the branch selection. If they are pretty sure about branch selection and about the type of colleges they wanted to take, then in that case this video is going to really helpful for you. You with this video you can have you can see that what are the options available in front of you. If you wanted to see this complete list, just visit Career Media official website. The link is given in the description box, right? So this is all about radiology. As I told you, I mean next video could be on some other clinical branch, could be on dermatology, could be on general medicine, right? So I'll see which video would be more preferable and I'll make next video. And similarly we'll be making videos on this on the branch wise, right? On the branch wise through all India quota and DNB. So this is all about radiology branch. And one more thing, one-to-one, if you wanted to have one-to-one discussion with me, if you wanted to attend the one-to-one counseling, free counseling session, web counseling session with me, then the link has been given in description box, and that is a form which you have to fill. If you fill up the form, we can have deep discussion on web counseling on either on Zoom, either on Zoom meeting or Google Meet or at any other source. So we can have a deep discussion. We can just see that what you are expecting in your NEET PG exam, and on basis of that, what are the options available in front of you, what package you can go, I mean till what package you can get, what fees, till what fees you can get, which college and which branch, right? So for that please fill up the form and book a slot, because booking a slot means simply if you fill up the form, you will get a call from Career Media side, and they will ask you about your free time, and at that free time a call again a call will be sent to you, so that at your free time we will be having the deep discussion on your profile, right? So that's all for today. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.